Welcome to DJ TV.
My correct people, we greet you now. Welcome una once again to DJ TV. My people, updates where we carry come for now this time around. Now about those police officer where we say they come they harass the Dutch woman where they ride from Ghana to Abuja. Oh, now see the video. Those who never see the video where we say these police officers they can't stop her for somewhere for inside or your state. Come begin they ask her money openly. This woman pass Ghana police stop am, but they no ask her money. But Nigeria police come begin they ask her money openly. Unknowing to them say camera dey the woman bike wey be say she dey ride. They no know say the camera capture everything wey they come dey ask am, that money aspect and all. Wanna watch the clip? Those of them who never see am, never see that video where this police officer stop this woman. Wanna watch this clip when they come back.
Everything is fine.
From where?
Netherlands.
What do you bring from? See that? Oh, where they go?
Abuja. How are you?
Give me something.
It's for everything.
Everything is fine.
Give me something. Give me something. Give me something.
You give me something.
Yes, my people, when I don't see the clip, right now, our Nigerian police don't dismiss those two officers. They say where they go as when they don't come with shame to Nigeria police force. Anyway, my people, I'm not going to talk too much. I will play on this video and I'm going to watch the moment and everything they say that they dismiss these two men. So because this men they fuck up. But anyway, and the one where we see be this so because they don't the woman not video this thing, therefore just sit there like that. Once police will pass on this one, see the force. When I watch the video, I'm making a share.
Time. Oh! Let's go! Keep facing backward back. They don't know that one. Just run them back. They are not regular. If you say two cases, they will go and fall down now. Distinguished officers, gentlemen of the press, there was an incident on 23rd of October between Iseyin and Oyo Road. A tourist from Netherlands was passing to Abuja, and the two police special constabularies before you, under whoever's command I don't know, went there and they were demanding for money. The Commissioner of Police, Oyo State Command, that is me, I have reviewed the other room conducted for them because our normal procedure is they should be tried in the room on oath and appropriate punishment meted out to them. I have now reviewed on the road trial of the defaulters, who are Special Constabulary Karim Fatai and Special Constabulary Stephen Lukman, who were captured on viral video dated 29/10/2023 demanding money from a Netherlands tourist, Ms. Noradi Shuen CP Adebola A. Hamza, the Commissioner of Police Oyo State Police Command. Today, Thursday, 21st December 2023, I affirm the recommended punishment of dismissal for the two police special constabulary Karim Fatai and special constabulary Jiman Lukman, and I hereby pronounce both of them dismissed from the police special constabulary. They will be dedicated and sealed to the members of the special constabulary with immediate effect. It is hoped that this will serve as a deterrent to others who want to have a similar demeanor. They should be defeated.
after working, you know.
Now, with these developments, I think you don't need to match them or anything because they don't belong to any organization to match anymore. Let them just work out quietly and to their houses. Ordinarily, they should have been prosecuted. But we let that go because they are not regular police officers. Thank you so very much.
DJ NTV. DJ NTV.